probably is a little bit mission,
Yeah.
but she's her English isn't.
Okay. Could she do a course? Would that be something she could do?
She's doing a course, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, she's
fantastic.
doing one in
Yeah.
Belga. I think it's starting in 2 weeks.
Active and Bala.
I think it
Yeah.
is. Yeah.
English migrant something.
I think
Yeah.
it's that one. It's the free one. Yeah.
Cool.
She's very excited for it.
Are you waiting for them to stick their heads out?
Yeah, I can
She
see
should be coming
one.
back,
Yeah. I can see two.
I find it the hardest is to hold your phone still when you got that on filter.
Look at them.
They are really cute.
They're super cute.
And so for that time that they were there, she wasn't able to go out to the grapevine tree. Oh, because they would swoop her as soon as she opened the back door. Oh, she couldn't use her back garden until their floor